Okay, again, this is the continuation of the last video, just so I could show you everything, just to get it off my couch, onto the floor to take into my car. Alright, anyways. Alright, that's enough of that. Continuing. Score hanger. Score hanger. Baseball hanger. This is Series 2 from Topps. That's a hanger. And a Topps blaster. You get 7 14-card packs, so that's 98 cards, I guess. 70 plus 28 is 98. Plus, you get one Topps 70th anniversary patch card, guaranteed. 99 total cards in these boxes. Big H. Hazelton. Two score fat packs. Big Lots. Big Lots in Dunmore. Okay, I got 6 of these packs. Okay. I just wanted to buy them just because you never get anything there. Whoever puts cards out must call people and say, I'm putting them out now, meet me over there. They're never there. This time there was those packs, and like the Big Lots up in Hazelton when they threw the 2019 jumbo packs out with the Aaron Judge on it, on the Aaron Judge card on it. I'm getting 2019 Topps packs in 2021. I'll take it. Well, Big Lots did the same thing here. I don't know if you could see them or not. So, okay, I saw the jumbo packs. I grabbed them. WrestleMania 2018. WrestleMania 2019. Sorry, this is WrestleMania. This was Road to WrestleMania. 2018 Topps Wrestling WWE. 2016 Topps Then, Now, Forever cards. And this is another one of those Road to the 2019 WrestleMania with Ronda Rousey on it. So I got 2 of those, and then got cards from 2018, 2019, 2018, 2016, 2018. No, 2019. Sorry. 18, 19, 18, 16, 19. So this is weird. This is 2000. The 2018s are different. One's WrestleMania, and one's just WWE. Okay. But yeah, I know I'm saying, oh, I'm going to try to go through this quick, but that story, I wound up getting 5-year-old 5-year-old packs of hockey. Damn, I'm so irritable. 5-year packs. 5-year-old packs of wrestling cards. I just opened up a wrestling box, the Topps Finest, with my buddy Tyler the other day at work. During lunch, he came down and we start ripping them. Of course, Madison was there. Maddie Cass was like totally bothering us. I mean, it was okay. I let her open up a couple packs. It's not a big deal, but geez, I'm trying to open up the two, one of those special packs at the end with the cracked ice cards or whatever. Oh my God. And I'm trying to open them nice and slow, and she's trying to get my attention, trying to ask me a question. Oh my God, she got me so nervous I wound up dropping them on the floor. Oh my God, I was ready to kill her. Finally, I looked and I picked them up. There was nothing wrong with the surface, nothing wrong with the edges, nothing wrong with the corners. But oh my God. Topps hanger. Topps blaster. Score. Score. Hanger. They're cheap. They're only like $11.98. I like those. $19.98 for the blaster of Series 2 and $11.98 for both hangers, the football and the baseball hangers. I'll take it. I'll take it. Score. All right. Good. We have plenty of time. $42 cards per box, baby. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. I think this is at Tunkhannock. Pretty sure. Or is this Wilkes-Barre? No, this was Wilkes-Barre. My buddy Tyler calls me and says, "Get here now." Thank you, Tyler. I appreciate that. Dun, 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 dun. So I turned the corner. I didn't even look to see what they had. Usually I go up to the front and I look and see, and then I get in line. So he said there was such good stuff that I got to, you got to get here. I got there like 5 hours after they opened. They had all these megas and all these really like mega select football megas and all this other stuff. Oh, Contenders megas. He got there just in the nick of time, but he was like sixth in line, and by the time he got there, all the megas were gone. But it was funny. He's like, "You got to get here." I can't even begin to explain what good stuff is here. I went to Tunkhannock all those days and there was nothing, so I started buying stickers. Only pay for what you need. They need to get a new jingle, because like when that first came out like 3-4 years ago, I was like, that's pretty cool. So damn annoying. Limu the emu. I wonder how many people don't even know that. Limu, 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 Liberty, Li, Liberty, Mutual, Mu, Mutual, Limu. Just trying to get something to rhyme with Limu, and they picked out an emu. All right, these were from Tunkhannock. Same thing. Dun 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 dun. At least I'm getting better at that. They are 1998. That was Tunkhannock. 11:02 in the morning. Wow. She said that they had Prism mega boxes, Contenders mega boxes, Contender football mega boxes, Contender basketball mega boxes, Chronicle football mega boxes, Select football mega boxes. But I didn't get up there till 11. So, and I said that was going to be the good one. I mean, it wasn't guaranteed. They didn't have anything for the last 4 days, but I had a feeling today was the day, and sure enough, Gestapo, the Nazi police, the card Nazis, the Gestapo for Target. Ooh. Let's see. 6:11. Yeah. It could have been yesterday. What time was it? Yep, that was it. Oh, they're going to come after you. The security will come over. It's like, good. What are they going to do? Arrest me for trying to fuck them by cards? Excuse my language, but fucking what a psycho that chick was. She was seriously, and she interrupted me. Like, I just stopped, waited for her to finish her sentence, and I said, you going to let me finish my sentence now? And I tried to explain to her. I said, go over there and look at the signs. I said, it says 2 Pokemons per visit, store visit, whatever. And then the next thing says NBA, NFL, and MLB. Blah, blah, blah. We're not selling them. Da, 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 da. And I said to her, these are hockey cards. It's like, first of all, no one's buying them. Second of all, I was like, you know, I'm coming over here to buy them off you. I said, why don't you update your signs if NHL is included in that nonsense? It's not nonsense. Yes, it is. You're punishing me because some psycho in Wisconsin, which I found out was the Good Samaritan, he pulled a gun to protect somebody. They were getting robbed, and it wasn't over cards, from what I hear. I said, you're going to punish me, who did nothing wrong, because some psycho up in Wisconsin pulled a gun on somebody in the parking lot? She didn't know what to say. Oh, all we care about is your safety. I said, no, you don't. I said, you're using that as an excuse. I said, I'm not going to argue with you. But I mean, like, just going over to Target. I don't even want to. The only thing I'll ever buy from them ever again is cards. You lost my business, Target. You want to treat us like we're freaking criminals for buying cards? You lost my business. Screw you. All right, this is great. I heard that Dixon City Walmart is now limiting packs. Thank God. How many times did I complain? They still had old Bowman, the $9 packs, $9.48 packs. I was like, you got to be kidding me. These are the ones that have the 8 silver cards out of 19 cards. I was so happy when I saw that. Yeah. Target. What a disgrace. Target, you ought to be ashamed of yourselves. Then again, go support BLM. Go support go support Antifa. You pigs. You're gonna come after people because they want to buy baseball cards. Are you kidding me? You're a bunch of Nazis. All right. 2 hanger boxes of Topps Series 2. These were from Wilkes-Barre. Oh, these are the ones from real early in the morning. 9:26. Yeah, 9:26 in the morning. Well, 9:26 in the morning. I went back around 1 or so, and everything was gone. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Alright, the big H. These are the ones that have 99 cards in the box. Why would you make them 99 cards? $131. Oh, that's right. The lady was trying to give me a hanger box. And I said, no, I want.